Did you know that students who skip breakfast are 20% more likely to struggle with concentration and fatigue throughout the school day? What if I told you that the right breakfast and lunch could boost not only your grades but also your energy levels and mood? In this video, we'll explore easy and nutritious breakfast and lunch ideas that will fuel your day and keep you focused. Hi everyone, I'm Farhad, a certified nutritionist and fitness coach with over 6 years of experience helping families eat healthier. As a parent myself, I understand the challenge of getting kids to eat well while balancing busy schedules. I've seen firsthand how proper nutrition can transform energy levels and academic performance. I'm excited to share my tips and tricks with you today. By the end of this video, you'll have a treasure trove of healthy breakfast and lunch ideas tailored for students. We'll cover the importance of breakfast and lunch for students, a step-by-step guide to meal prep for busy mornings, a variety of easy, affordable recipes that your kids will love, tips for keeping meals interesting and nutritious. Many students struggle with maintaining their energy and focus throughout the school day. This is often due to inadequate nutrition, either skipping meals or choosing unhealthy options. Studies show that proper nutrition can improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. Skipping breakfast can lead to irritability and decreased academic performance. Lunch, when neglected or poorly planned, often results in reaching for unhealthy snacks later in the day, causing a cycle of poor eating habits. Imagine this: your child is excited for school, but by mid-morning, they're feeling tired and distracted. This could lead to lower grades and frustration. Proper meals can make a world of difference in their academic performance and overall health. Let's take a look at the story of Sarah, a high school junior. Last year, she was often exhausted and found it hard to focus. After consulting with a nutritionist and incorporating healthier breakfast and lunch options, she saw a significant change: better grades and more energy throughout the day. Now, let's dive into the solution. Our approach focuses on meal prepping healthy breakfasts and lunches that are both easy to make and enjoyable to eat. Here are the main components we will cover: planning and shopping, preparing meals ahead of time, variety to keep things exciting. Nutrition plays a critical role in cognitive function. Studies show that students who eat breakfast perform better in school. Breakfast fuels the brain after an overnight fast, improving memory and concentration. Similarly, a balanced lunch helps sustain energy levels, preventing mid-afternoon slumps. Nutritionists recommend including a mix of macronutrients in each meal. For example, protein from eggs or yogurt, carbohydrates from whole grains or fruits, and healthy fats from nuts or avocado can provide sustained energy. Let's look at some visuals to illustrate our points. Here's a chart showing how different nutrients affect brain function and energy levels. Notice how a balanced breakfast can keep energy levels stable. Now, let's jump into some delicious recipes. First up is a quick smoothie bowl. Ingredients: spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. Instructions: blend until smooth, then top with berries and granola. This can be made in under 10 minutes. Next, let's prepare a nutritious lunchbox. Whole grain wrap: fill a whole grain tortilla with lean turkey, avocado, and veggies. Fruit snack: include a piece of fruit like an apple or banana. Yogurt: a small container of Greek yogurt adds protein. One common challenge is time constraints in the morning. To overcome this, prepare breakfast items the night before, like overnight oats or chia pudding. That way, they're ready to grab and go. Encourage your kids to get involved in meal prep. When they help plan and prepare their meals, they're more likely to eat them and enjoy the process. Now I want to hear from you. What are your go-to breakfast and lunch ideas for school? Share in the comments below, and let's inspire each other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more nutrition tips and recipes. Today, we've covered the importance of healthy breakfasts and lunches for students, meal prepping tips, and several easy recipes. Remember, the goal is to fuel your body and mind for a successful day at school.